Alright, in this video I'd like to show you how to develop your primary power line layer to export it as a visible layer in the Remote app. We're going to start on the online version and we'll click on Map User Interface. Once the interface is loaded up, we're going to go down to the Utility folder. In this case we're dealing with Mishawaka Utilities. So we'll click on Mishawaka and we will pick our substation area first. In this case, we're going to look at the Union substation area. So let's populate the substation location first. Click on it. Yep, it's Union. So we're good there. Now we've got to plot our power lines. We'll click on feeder. I already know that my Union substation code is 9 in this case. And we're going to look at all 6 circuits here. If you want to just do one circuit, like for example this would be substation 9 or Union substation and circuit 1. We're just going to look at all of them. Okay, great. So it just populated all the circuits. You can actually click on them. So that's circuit number 3, circuit number 6, and again our substation in there with the circuits coming out of it. Alright, great. So that's done. Now we want to export this to Google Earth. We're going to click on the globe and you'll see this little image popped up. Looks like a piece of paper with the globe on it. That will download your KMZ. So we click on the link and our KMZ is downloaded into our downloads folder. We're going to open this up and it will populate our power lines. So again, here is Union substation, and you'll notice that this is defaulted into like a light yellow color for the power lines. Let's change that color so it's more visible. Right click on the layer, go to Properties, Style and Color. Let's change the line color to red. Whatever you want, you can change that color, is fine. When it gets into the Remote app, it's always going to be purple. But on Google Earth, when you export it, you can change the color. So this is looking good. We got all our power lines and our substation. Now we're going to save this file. So you'll note that right now it's a KMZ file. We'll right click on it, Save Place As, and we'll change the name here to Union. Make sure that when you're exporting your power line maps that you're keeping them all in the same spot. Try and keep them organized and named similarly. The file type is going to be KML, which is visible in your Remote app, so we'll save that. Now we can go back to our Remote app. So right now I have the Remote app with my active tree list loaded right now for Mishawaka Utilities. And we're going to go over here to the toolbar on the left-hand side and we'll click on the button that kind of looks like a tent with a bar over it. That's how we're going to load our local files. In this case, it's the KML file we just created for Union. So go into my files, pick out Union substation, primary as a KML file, open that up. There we go. So there's our power lines. There's our power lines. We've got the substation as well as all of the circuits available to us. You can click on it and it tells you what feeder you're on. So in this case we're on feeder 3, feeder 6 is up there, more feeder 6, feeder 2, etc. If you change substation areas, it's as easy as clicking on a new substation. Let's look at Logan. Okay, there you go. So we have some herbicide work in this area that is on the Logan substation. And that is specifically on feeder 7. Okay, now if you refresh your map, you're going to lose that line layer. So just keep in mind, if you need to get the line layer back, just go back to the toolbar, click on Load Local File, click your line layer, open it up, and you're back to it. So anytime you refresh, or if you have to close the program, open it back up, you're just going to have to reload that line layer. All right, hope that helps. Thank you for watching.